For more informative videos, please subscribe my channel Learn CNC and press the bell button. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn CNC. My name is Samarth Bhattuar. In our today's video, we will learn about the CNC tool carbides and its tool holders. So without any wasting time, let's start the video. Two videos back we learned about different CNC tools. Now we will learn about the CNC carbide tools. So what are the carbide inserts? So as you can see in the picture, the cutting tip attached to the tool holders are the inserts. So the inserts are selected according to the profile of machining and type of material to be cut. These selected inserts must be withstand the high cutting speed and the high temperatures. The cemented carbide inserts are mostly used for turning applications. So now we will discuss about the basic factors on which the selection of inserts are dependent. Likewise, grade of inserts, clamping system, type of applications, type of operations are some of the basic types on which the selection of inserts are dependent. So the grade of inserts, there are three grades: P, M and K. So the grade of inserts are chosen according to the type of the material they have to cut. So P is used for the steel, mainly for steel, and also low alloy steel, low chipping malleable iron, etc. M is used for stainless steel, for manganese steel, alloy cast iron, etc. And K grade is used for cast iron. Second criteria for selection is clamping system. There are different clamping systems such as P clamping, C clamping, M clamping and S clamping system for clamping the inserts to the tool holder. Then third criteria is type of application. F for finishing, M for medium and R for roughing. Then fourth criteria is type of operation. So turning available in 8 shapes, boring available in 8 shapes, grooving available in 3 shapes and threading available in thread profile. So what are these shapes? So we will study it next. Now turning insert specification. Ordering the inserts from any manufacturers or dealers, the insert specification is given as shown on the screen. So or basically it may be said that a naming system is provided for naming the insert. As you can see on the screen, CNMG120408TR10 is a name provided to an insert. So in that, first one is insert shape. The inserts are available in 8 shapes as shown in the figure. The insert shape should be selected relative to the entering angle required and the accessibility or versatility required for the tool. The largest suitable point angle on the insert should be selected for strength and economy. The selected shape is specified by given letter. In above specification, the 80-degree point angle C designation insert is chosen. The shape of inserts are square, triangular, rhombic, etc. Second one is clearance angle. The inserts are available in different clearance angles. These angles are from 0 to 20 degree. The clearance angle is chosen according to the material to be cut. The selected clearance angle is specified by given letter. In above specification, the 0 degree clearance angle insert of n letter is chosen, means a particular letter is given for the specified clearance angle. Third one is tolerances. There are two tolerance classes, M and U. The tolerance M is the fine class, so mostly M is used. In above specification, M class is chosen. Then fourth one is insert type. Inserts are available in various types such as with the hole or without hole, with chip breaker or without chip breaker. In the above specification, G-type insert with chip breaker is chosen. Fifth one is insert size or cutting edge length. The inserts are available in different sizes, that is the cutting edge lengths. So the sizes are specified with numbers. These numbers vary according to the insert shapes. In above specification, for C shape, the cutting edge length is 12.7 mm is chosen with number 12. Now sixth one is inserts thickness. Inserts are available in different thickness, and in the above specification 4.76 mm insert is chosen and specified with number 4. So the seventh one is insert nose radius. So the inserts are available with different nose radius. The nose radius is a key factor as regards. A large nose radius permits higher feeds, and a smaller nose radius, if there is a tendency to vibrate, it is used. In above example, 0.8 nose radius insert is chosen and specified with 08 number. Eighth is cutting edge designation. The inserts are made with different types of cutting edges like sharp, positive line, negative line, etc. These cutting edges condition is chosen according to the material to be cut. Ninth is tool direction or version. There are two types of tools, right hand and left hand. The hand of the tool is specified R for right hand cutting and L for left hand cutting and N for straight. Then 10th is chamfer width and chamfer angle. According to the size of inserts, actual cutting edge width are made in different sizes. The required size of chamfer width is specified with numbers. The chamfer width are made with negative chamfer angles in 15 and 20. So that's it guys. If you understand and loved my video, please click the like button and subscribe my channel and click on the bell button to get the notification. And if you have any suggestions and comments, please let me know in the comment section below. Stay safe, stay at home, stay healthy. Thank you.